Continuing in the linear kinematics calculations for our business students, this is in Module 4, of course, Section 3, and it's the first question in your notes. So if you turn to your module, you'll find that they're asking you to solve for the acceleration. This car is traveling at an initial velocity of 60 kilometers an hour, and it's going to reach a final velocity of 90 kilometers an hour in a time of 10 seconds. How can we calculate that? And what I was saying is that you cannot use the v function squared to be equal to vi squared plus 2as. You just don't have enough information. So like a puzzle, you must find the expression that involves this information. And that expression is vf is equal to vi plus at. Now you can rearrange this, and you can rearrange it directly and show that a is equal to vf minus vi divided by time. You just subtract and then divide. So how do we solve? The first thing you have to do is find vf. Vf is equal to 90 kilometers per hour, and we're going to convert that 1,000 meters per kilometer, and then multiply by 1 hour per 3,600 seconds. This converts the final velocity. The hours cancel, kilometers cancel, and we end up with a solution that tells us, if you take those zeros out, this is 90 times 10, and that's 900 divided by 36 meters per second. So not too bad, you can solve that quite well. The other one is to find vi, which is 60 kilometers per hour multiplied by 1,000 meters per kilometer, converting to the next step, 1 hour per 3,600 seconds. And once again, we do our reductions. Kilometers cancel. Seconds we don't want to cancel. We want to cancel hours. That gives us further reductions with the zeros. What do we see? This becomes 600 over 36 meters per second. Now you know that you can reduce these some more if you want to be, a little more astute about it. We could go a little further. This would be 12 sums 84 and 6, or 75 over 3. And you can see that this also would give you 50 over 3. And you'll notice that I'm going to leave the 3 in here, because I know you're thinking, hey, I could divide and get, 25. But you don't want to do that. I'll show you why in a second. So what we've got is Vf and Vi in meters per second, and then we have to divide by t. So let's have a go. So finally, we can set up our expression that A is equal to Vf minus Vi, and that would be 75 over 3 minus 50 over 3. Put that into our brackets, and then that final part is divided by time. And how much is time? Time is 10 seconds. And this is where the fraction comes in to play very handily. That works out to 25 over 3. The 10 is on the bottom, so 1 over 10, or 25 over 30, and you have your answer. That A would be what? Can you tell? 56 meters per second squared. There you have it. It's a bit long, but we have shown all the steps so that you're able to calculate this question without any difficulties.